Hello out there in cryptocurrency land. Welcome back to Real Crypto. I'm going to do a very short video today on the very real possibility, and keep in mind everyone, this is a possibility. I don't want you making trades solely based on what I say. I want you making trades based on your knowledge, your strategy. However, I'm here to tell you from a technical perspective, which is in the charts, and typically how markets behave and how assets behave. When you have a very large parabolic run, such as in Bitcoin, such that Bitcoin has had, there's a strong possibility that we do go into a longer correction, even a possibility of a bear market, which may take us back down to Bitcoin 3,000. Okay, so we all know Bitcoin crossed 10,000, and when big psychological barriers are breached to the upside, they can continue, and we've seen this in the past with Bitcoin. Okay. We've seen this in the past with Bitcoin 1200 back in 2013. Everyone thought it was going to go to 1,000. I actually bought this rally. I bought it 255 or 225, excuse me. I bought it 225, and then I ended up selling all the way up here towards 1,100. But Bitcoin has done this twice in the past. Okay, first down here towards 300. It actually, everyone thought it was going to 250. Okay, then it blew past and went to 3. All right, 270, 280, I think. And then Bitcoin 1200, everyone thinks it's going to 1,000, right? You want to see the larger numbers hit. That's what everyone's expecting. And then when they hit those numbers, everyone thinks, hey, Bitcoin's legit, and they pile into the trade. Then what happens is people start to distribute the coin. All right, Bitcoin had a big bounce down, came up double topped at this particular area and started coming all the way back down, and it was a low, slow grind. If you notice here, Bitcoin's rise was crazy, and its grind down was much slower. Okay, I can't tell you how it's going to happen this time. There's even a possibility that we come down 30% and get another base. However, I think that is highly unlikely, although it is possible. One possible trading strategy that you could take here is when Bitcoin comes down about 33%, which is going to put us at the top of the prior base right here, about the 70, between the 75 and 7600 level. You could put in a buy order down there, and then you could put a stop order in somewhere along this particular trend line here. What makes parabolic moves happen, and this is more of a effect than a cause. You get these trend lines that increase exponentially until we have this extreme vertical movement in whatever asset we're trading. And now we've experienced that in Bitcoin. We've had a topping candle, which is a very tall candle that has very high volume, and keep in mind it's only 12 hours through this day, and I'm on the daily chart, so you can see this volume supersede this bottoming volume here. And large volume indicates topping or bottoming in most instances. It can also precede a breakout. It can also help fuel a breakout. But in this case, it looks like Bitcoin has topped. Now, are we going to 3,000 for sure? No, nothing's for sure in trading. The only thing you can do is trade your style and your strategy. If you're a hodler, this video is going to do nothing for you, and you're just going to laugh at it and make a nasty comment, and I appreciate that. But if you're a trader and you can't hold through a 30 to 50 to 70% downswing in Bitcoin, then you're going to want to exit right here on the break of this trend line, if not sooner. And if it breaks this trend line and comes down to this area, down at about 7,600 to 7,500 area, you know, then that if it breaks that area, we're definitely in trouble. Okay, but we're at least in for some large pullback, but Bitcoin 3,000 could happen. It's a possibility. I did a Bitcoin 1200 video, that never worked out. I'm going to own that right here. But now we have an extreme parabolic move in Bitcoin, and if you go by history, the prior two parabolic moves in Bitcoin have corrected past this 76% retracement level right here, this or 78% retracement level, which puts us at 3,300. And if we surpass that, we could peak down into 3,000 at some point in the future. So there you go. There's the case for kind of a Bitcoin 3,000 from 11.5. Maybe it happens, maybe it doesn't, but you have a couple strategies to partake in. a 30% dip in Bitcoin, maybe you put a buy stop down here, and if it breaks this trend line, then you're out, because as we start to break these barriers, the pattern gets more and more bearish. So keep that in mind. Not creating FUD here, just showing you trading opportunities. There's a lot of new people in the industry of trading, especially Bitcoin, and I just want them to be aware of these potential pitfalls. So there you go, guys. Subscribe if you like the video, if you like the video, and leave a comment below. Have a good day.